This is the elevator at Christ United Methodist Church in Williamsville, New York. It's a Liftivator elevator. Let's call it down. Watch it come down. Here it is. Hold on a second, it's skated. Let's enter the elevator. These are the fixtures, EPCO circle line. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Not really much to see. Let's go up to 2. And there's the interlock. And we'll go down to B. There's the interlock. No floor indicator. Try to see if I can get the button going out. And I did. Let's get a view out here. Nothing really much to see. Call button. That's the door. And I'll go back up to 1 now. Watch it level. Let's get out of the elevator. Close the gate. And then the door. And here's the interesting thing about this elevator. It lights up even when it's at the desired floor.
Very ambitious
Well,
piece you played tonight. It was good.
That's it.